Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're taking a look at the all-new 2024 Porsche Cayenne Turbo GT. This is the most powerful and performance-oriented Cayenne ever made, and it's a serious beast. Exterior. On the outside, the Cayenne Turbo GT is distinguished by its aggressive styling cues. It has a larger front air intake, a pronounced rear diffuser, and a carbon fiber roof. It also sits on unique 22-inch GT design wheels. Interior. Inside, the Cayenne Turbo GT gets a sporty makeover with Alcantara seats, a race-inspired steering wheel, and a number of other performance-focused features. It also comes standard with a 12.6-inch touchscreen infotainment system and a Bose surround sound system. Performance. Under the hood, the Cayenne Turbo GT is powered by a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine that produces 650 horsepower and 626 pounds-feet of torque. This allows the Cayenne Turbo GT to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.1 seconds. It also has a top speed of 186 miles per hour. Driving impressions. The Cayenne Turbo GT is an amazing vehicle to drive. It's incredibly powerful and agile, and it handles like a sports car despite its size and weight. It's also very comfortable and luxurious on the inside. If you're looking for the most powerful and performance-oriented Cayenne ever made, then the 2024 Cayenne Turbo GT is the one for you. It's an amazing vehicle that offers the best of both worlds, speed and luxury. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe. And don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know what you think of the 2024 Porsche Cayenne Turbo GT.